How to hide header in Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to hide your header in your Wix Studio website. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Wix Studio account. After that, you can choose the website you want. I'm going to choose this one. And then you will be in that website dashboard, and then you can navigate to edit site. You can click on it. That will bring you to the website editor. This is my website editor. So there are a few methods to hide your header. So the first method is you can just click the header and then right click and then go to select layer and then click header here. And after that you can click right click again and then click hide here, and it hidden from your website. And if you want to make it appears again, you can just click layer here, and then as you can see the header is hidden, so you can just click eye icon here to show it, and it's done. And the other method is you can navigate to layers tab again and then click more option on the header here, and then you can go to add to more page, and as you can see you can uncheck it to make it hidden in that page. So let's say I'm gonna uncheck it on about and then the home on the home page and then click apply, and it hidden from your home page. So let's check in about page. It's also hidden. So yeah, I think that's it, how to hide your header in your Wix Studio. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.